In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to change language on YouTube Kids. Now, let's say you want to change the language. You may say you don't want the language that's being used right now on the YouTube Kids app. How do you change it? Well, I got bad news for you. Unfortunately, you cannot directly change YouTube Kids app's language, but you can filter the content by language. Now, here is what you do. One, you can use what they call approved content only. Now this feature lets you choose specific channels and videos. So you can also select videos in the desired language or languages to ensure your child primarily sees content in that language. That's it. Now the availability of content in specific languages may vary. And YouTube Kids offers robust parental control. So you can utilize features like I said, approved content only. You can also use search settings and watch history to manage your child's viewing experience effectively. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.